Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of JPFD. I'm AG.
I'm AK.
And today's a bit of a special day here in Japan.
Yes.
And we're going to talk about it a little bit. So today is not a national holiday, but it's like an event that's going on, which is...
Setsubun.
Setsubun.
Yes. So today is February 3rd, and then Japanese people celebrate Setsubun. So it's not like really a special day, but like we do a little bit special thing, and then we ate special food as well.
Okay, so today we're going to explain kind of what Setsubun is, why it's celebrated, and kind of what you do on Setsubun. And then we might do a little news story at the end about, what's going on currently.
Yeah, sure.
Sounds good?
Yep.
Okay, let's get into it.
Okay, do you know what Setsubun is?
So as far as I'm aware, Setsubun has something to do with beans and a devil.
Okay.
Like soybeans, and you throw the soybeans at the devil or something like that. But I don't know too much about it.
All right. Basically, Setsubun is refers to the beginning of the season.
Okay.
But especially like a spring.
Okay, so the beginning of spring.
You know, it's already February 3rd.
Yeah, and it's a lot warmer already. It's like someone's flipped a switch.
What is a flip to switch?
Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip.
I shouldn't say that. Huh?
It's okay.
Okay. So, especially like, maybe like China or Korea, they have a Chinese New Year.
Right, so like Lunar New Year, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
It used to say that Setsubun is the kind of like celebrating New Year's as well. But now, Japan, we don't celebrate New Year's.
Chinese New Year, right?
Chinese New Year's now. So we just like celebrate Setsubun as it is,
Okay.
you know?
So you're now on like Gregorian New Year instead of
Yes.
Japanese New Year or Chinese New Year, I guess, which is going on around about now too. Okay, that's cool.
We're gonna do two things.
Okay, which are the things?
Setsubun.
Okay.
So one is like we're gonna get rid of bad spirits, which is like a
Bad
devil.
spirits. Okay. Devil. Okay, devil. Okay, as far as I know, devil in Japanese is like akuma.
Yeah, that's true. But like in Setsubun, we kind of like say Japanese creature type of devil.
Oh, okay, it's like a Japanese devil.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
not akuma. Akuma is like, kind of like I don't know, Western style.
Oh, like the one with the
Maybe.
horns and the tail and the trident things. Like
Yeah,
that.
so that's Japanese
Okay.
style. What we call it is oni.
Oni. Oni.
Have you heard of it?
I have, yeah. Again, I played a lot of Japanese video games, so I think Oni came up a few times. Yeah.
Oni like is from like old story as well.
Okay.
Like Momotaro, Kintaro, etc. I forgot, but
okay. There's like different Japanese spirits and like creatures, right? There.
Yeah, right. So to get rid of the devil, we are going to throw the beans.
Okay.
We call it fukumame or just
Fukumame.
just mame.
So mame is like beans, right?
Beans.
Like so if you guys come to Japan and you go drinking, one thing that you'll probably eat when you're drinking is edamame.
Oh, edamame.
Edamame,
true.
same
like
thing.
Green,
like mame.
green beans, yeah.
Green beans. Okay.
So we will throw the fortune beans, fukumame, to oni.
So you take the beans and then you throw it at the devil.
Yes.
Okay.
But it used to be like at my house, we usually throw the like beans for outside twice and then inside twice. That's it.
Okay. Oh, so almost like a little ritual type thing. So you throw. And there's something special about either the amount of beans you throw or the amount of beans you eat. What is that?
Oh, we eat beans like the amount of our age.
So if you're
if,
like 20, you would eat 20 beans.
Yes, 20 beans. So if you're like 3, you can only eat like 3 beans.
If you're like 90 though,
like
that's dinner.
Suffocate.
Dinner's the
maybe,
beans, yeah. That's a lot of beans.
Yeah. So as as time goes by, you need to eat a lot of beans.
So you eat more and more beans every year.
Yes.
Just to keep the devil out of your house.
Yes.
Okay, well, it's a sacrifice, I guess.
Yes, and we also like need to say that like we have a like certain phrase that we can say to the devil.
Okay.
Oh no, like so we have a like certain phrase to say to get rid of the devil and then like welcome the fortune as well. So which is oni wa soto, fuku wa uchi.
Okay, that's pretty simple.
Yes.
That's a really good sentence.
So oni is devil, right? And then soto means outside.
Right?
And then fuku is fortune. And then uchi means like inside.
Like fukubukuro, right?
Fukubukuro? You mean like fuku
Like-
as fortune?
Like lucky bags.
Yeah, lucky
right?
bag.
So around New Year's time,
Yes.
they have lucky bags, fukubukuro. Same,
Yes.
same kanji. Okay,
Yeah,
cool,
same thing.
Cool.
So we're gonna like say and then like sow the beans at oni.
Mm-hmm.
But usually that's your dad.
Your dad does that.
Yeah, that is just put a mask.
Oh, so your
And then,
dad's
like,
the devil.
Yes, that
And
is
then you
the
throw
devil.
beans. That's not very nice.
Yes. Really?
kinda
Okay. And then other thing that we usually do is eating sushi roll.
Okay.
We call it e hou maki.
E hou maki? Okay.
I'm not really sure why we say e hou maki, but we should take a look at the certain angle and then eat. But you cannot talk until you finish eating.
Interesting. So it's just basically like a roll, right?
Yeah, sushi roll. But it tastes sweet. Usually
like a
it
sweet
doesn't-
tasting one?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, interesting.
Yes, and then like when you're eating, you don't talk to anybody.
Okay. Is there any like significance behind the roll, or do you know?
So again,
Is there any significance behind the roll? Like, why do you eat the roll?
I think like we just kind of like keep the lucky.
Okay.
So people are saying that we wish the happiness or like we wish like we make a wish or something, and then just eat.
Okay.
And then if you finish eating without talking, it probably like a dream comes true. One more thing that we also need to keep in mind is that we need to take a look at a certain angle, which is like this year is east-northeast.
Wait, so... Wait, you need to look at it from that angle? You need to face it in that angle? You need to eat it sitting at that angle?
Yes.
Which one?
So east-northeast.
So east, north, east. So if this was north, it would be like... Here?
Yes. So this is north, this is the east. So you need to look at...
So northeast is here.
Yes.
So east, north, east would be here.
Yes.
So you have to be facing that way?
That
or,
way?
Or do you have to look at it from that way?
Facing that way.
So it has to be facing that way.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, well, it's one of those things, I guess.
All right. So that's what we are doing.
Okay,
as
interesting.
well. So this year I found a little problem about Setsubun as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put the news later as well. But
We'll put a link to the news story in the description if you want to check it out yourself.
yes, so the kind of like Ministry of the Agriculture said that so Setsubun's like e hou maki, the food waste is massive.
Oh,
So,
really?
Yes.
Wow.
It's like 6.46 million tons one
Damn,
time.
that's a lot.
It's not really a kind of like an individual problem. I think
Okay,
like,
it's like a collective problem?
yes, like a supermarket.
Oh,
like
I see.
convenience stores.
Oh, right.
Or like department stores. Like used to be like it should made by my mom or like your mom. You know,
Right.
mom cooks it before.
But now they're selling it, they make too much
yes.
and throw it away.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes
So
sense.
that's a big problem in this year. So it's the first time that said Ministry of Agriculture kind of like presented this issue.
Oh dear. Okay. It's a lot of wasted rolls, huh?
Yeah, maybe.
It's crazy.
Yeah. So like if you haven't got it, maybe you can just like go to the supermarket or convenience store to get it.
Right. Yeah, no, you see them a lot in the convenience store recently. Convenience store and supermarkets are usually like out the front. So they'll actually have like a table out the front of the store and they'll sell it from the table.
Yeah, right.
So that brings us to the end of another episode of JPFD. I hope you learned something really cool about Setsubun today. Let us know in the comments if there's any like pre-spring festivals where you're from, or what kind of traditions you have around this time of year. It'll be kind of cool to find out.
Right.
What people do. Maybe you do celebrate Setsubun, or maybe it's a different holiday. So please let us know in the comments down below if you so wish. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up, the like button. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. It both helps. Let us know what you thought about the video in the comments down below. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. And until next time, we'll see you then. Bye bye.